Hi friends, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 May-June 2022 Paper 22. Let's get started with the question number 1. Question 1 states at noon the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. At midnight the temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference in temperature between noon and midnight. So the temperature at noon during noon is 4 degrees and the temperature at midnight is minus 9 degrees. So the difference will be 4 minus 9, which will be minus will be cancelled out. So 4 plus 9, which will be 13 degrees Celsius. So we'll write 13 degrees Celsius. Then question 2 states Thibault records the number of cars of each color in a car park. Number of cars: black is 8, white is 5, silver is 4 and red is 3. He draws a pie chart to show this information. Calculate the angle for the red cars, sector angle for red cars. So here what we will do is in angle or in sector angle there is 360 degrees. So first we will calculate the total number of cars that he recorded. So first 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, which will be 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, which will be 20. So out of 20 cars, number of red cars are 3. So we will write 3 divided by 20 multiplied by 360, which will be, so 3 divided by 20 multiplied by 360, which will be 54 degrees. So the sector angle for red cars will be 54 degrees. Then question 3 states figs cost 43 cents each. Lyra has $5 to buy some figs. Calculate the largest number of figs Lyra can buy and the amount of change in cents she receives. So first we will convert $5 into cents because each fig cost 43 cents. So 5 multiplied by 100, which will be 500 cents. Then we will divide 500 by 43 because each fig cost 43 cents. So 500 divided by 43, which will be 11.62. So 11 figs and 0.62 figs. So we will use the whole number only and cancel the decimal point. So 11 into 43. So which will be 11 into 43 will be 473 cents. So how many figs she bought? It is 11 figs, and then we will subtract 473 from 500. So 500 minus 473, which will be 27 cents. So 11 figs and 27 cents change. Then question 4 states find the value of square root of 68 multiplied by square root of 153. So we will use the calculator to calculate this equation, which will be square root of 68 multiplied by square root of 153, which will be, so the square root of 68 is, and multiplied by square root of 153, this is 102. So the value will be 102 for question number 4. Question 5 states find the total surface area of a cuboid with the length 8 cm, width 6 cm and height 3 cm. So surface area of cuboid is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. So the length is 8. So 2 times 8 times width, which is 6, plus 2 times 8 times height, which is 3, plus 2 times width 6 multiplied by height 3. So this will be, we will use calculator, 2 times 8 times 6, 96, plus 2 times 8 times 3, which is 48, plus 2 times 6 times 3, which is 36. So the total of these three will be 96 plus 48 plus 36, 180. So the total surface area of cuboid is 180 centimeter cube. So 180. Question 6 states, some cards have either a square, a circle, or a triangle drawn on them. White shows one of the cards at random. Complete the table to show the probability of choosing a card with each shape. So here is the probability, and the total of the probability is 1. So when we add squares, circle, and triangles, probability, it should be equal to 1. So you subtract 0.2 squares probability from and circles probability from the total probability. So 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.32, which will be 0.2 minus 0.32, which will be 0.48. So the triangle's probability will be 0.48. Then question 7 is, the price of the coat is $126. In a sale, this price is reduced by 18%. Find the sales price of the coat. So 18% of the price has been reduced. So we'll calculate 126 multiplied by 18%, which will be 126 multiplied by 18%. That is $22.68 reduced. Then we will subtract this amount from the original price. So 126 minus 22.68, which will be 126 minus 22.68, which will be 103.32. So we write the sale price of the coat will be 103.32. Then question 8 is, the nth term of the sequence is n squared plus 12. Find the first three terms of the sequence. So the first sequence, which is the first one, will be 1 squared plus 12, which will be 13, because 1 square will be 1 plus 12 is 13. Then for second will be 2 square plus 12 will be 2 square is 4 plus 12 is 16. Then 16. And for third term is 3 square plus 12. So 3 square is 9. 9 plus 12 is 21. So the answer for third term is 21. So this is how we'll solve question 8. Question 9 states, the bearing of B from A is 59 degrees. So this angle is 59 degrees. Work out the bearing of A from B. So first we will draw the center line, which is like this. And if we extend the line AB onwards, so this angle will be 59. Then we have to find the bearing of A from B point towards till A. So the angle will be measured from here and will go till here. Since we have the angle which is 59 degrees over here, so we will add 59 into this straight line angle, which is 180 degrees, because all straight line angle line has 180 degree on one side. So we will write 180 plus 59, which will be 239 degrees. So the bearing of A from B is 239 degrees. Then question A states find P minus Q. So 2, 8 minus 1 and 4. So top number will be subtracted with top number and bottom number will be subtracted from bottom number. So 2 minus 1 which will be 3 and bottom will be 8 minus 4 which will be 4. So the answer will be 3/4. Then part 2 will be 6p. So 6, 2 and 8. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 8s are 48. So this will be 12/48. Then part B states find P minus Q between two lines. So P minus Q which we calculated is 3/4. So this will be here P minus Q, this is equal to square root of, which is 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So this will be square root of 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So the answer of this will be 5. Question 11 states find the value of P when 6p multiplied by 6 to the power of 4 is equal to 6 to the power of 28. So first we will write 6p and we will move 6 to the power of 4 to the right side. So this will be 6 to the power of 28 multiplied by 6 to the power of minus 4. Because if we divide 6 to the power of 4 over here, 6 to the power of 28 divided by 6 to the power of 4, this will also be the same as this 6 to the power of 28 multiplied by 6 to the power of minus 4. So we will write 6p is equal to 28 minus 4 is 6 to the power of 24. So here the p value and this will be the same. So the value of p will be 24. So p is equal to 24. So 24. Question 12 states Annette cycles a distance of 70 kilometers from Midville to Newtown. Leaving Midville, she cycles for 1 hour and 30 minutes at a constant speed of 20 kilometers and then stops for 30 minutes. Then she continues the journey to Newtown at a constant speed of 116 kilometers per hour. So at starting, she cycles at 20 kilometers per hour for 1.5 hours. So for 20 kilometers per hour at 1.5 hours, so which will be 30 kilometers covered. So over here, this will be 30 kilometers, and we will draw a straight line from 0, which will be like this. Then she stops for 30 minutes. Then she stops for 30 minutes. Then she again continues her journey to Newton at a constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour. So now the remaining kilometer is 70 minus 30, which will be 40 kilometers. So 40 divided by 16, which will be 40 divided by 16, which will be 2.5 hours. So again 2.5 plus 2 hours will be 4.5 hours, and she will cover the distance of 70 kilometers. So we will draw a straight constant line from here till here, like this. But you have to use a ruler. I am just predicting it. So this is how we will draw a line graph in part A. Then part B states calculate the average speed for the whole journey. So the total distance covered was 70 kilometers. So average speed is equal to total distance covered, which is 70 divided by total hours taken, which was 4.5. So 70 divided by 4.5 will be 15.56. So the total distance covered is 15.56 kilometers. Average speed was 15.56 kilometers per hour. So this is how we'll calculate the average speed for the whole journey. Question 13 states, without using a calculator, work out 4 to 1 over 8 minus 2 to 5 over 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So first we will expand these fractions, mixed fraction into fractions. So 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33 divided by 8 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is 17 divided by 6. Now we'll make these denominators same or equal. So by 6, by 8, by 8 and by 6. So this will be 33 into 6, which is 198 divided by 6 8s are 48. So we'll write 48 below these both numbers because the denominator will be the same. Then 17 into 8, which will be 136. So 198 minus 136, which will be 62 over 48. So 62 divided by 48 will be, first we will simplify this by 2. So 31 and 40 divided by 2 is 24. So 31 over 24. Then in mixed fraction, this will be, or in below it will be 24 times 1 plus 7. So the mixed fraction will be 1 to 7 over 24. Then question 14 states, Carlos invests 45.40 at a rate of 8% per year compound interest. At the end of the year, he has earned $1,328.54 in interest. Calculate the value of R. So if we move around the equation of the compound interest, it will be square root to the number of years with the interest earned, which is 1328.54 plus the amount that is invested, which is 45.40 divided by the initial amount, which is 45.40. So the number of years will be 10. We will write here 10. So using the calculators, which will be 10, and in square root we will write 1328.54 minus plus 45.40 divided by 45.40, which will be 2.6. So this will be 2.6 for question number 14. So the rate of interest per year is 2.6. Then question 15 states, find the HCF of 12a cube b and 20a square b. So over here we will write 12a cube b and 20a square b square. So in both, what is common is b and a square. So a square and b, and in both it's a multiple of 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4 and like this. So we will write, instead of 4 we will write 2, instead of 2 we will write 4, my bad. So we will write 4a square and b. So the answer will be 4a square b. Just got confused with this question. So 4a square b will be the final answer for this. Question 16 states the Venn diagram shows the number of students in a class of 40 who study physics, mathematics, and geography. Part A states use set notation to describe the shaded region. So this will be M, U, G brackets, and N, which is M, and P complement. Then part B states find N, P and G, which is P and G, and U of M complements. So all the numbers that is in P and G and except the M complement. So this will be 4, 3, 6, and also the number which is between P and G, which is 9, not 2 or not 5. So this will be, here we will write 4 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6, which will be 22. So the number of students will be 22. So this is how we will do in part B. Part C states a student is chosen at random from those studying geography. So first we will calculate the total number of students in geography class, which will be 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. So 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9, which will be 23 students. Then next statement states find the probability that a student also studies physics or mathematics but not both. So the student either studies physics or mathematics but not both. So number of 9 students who study both physics and maths, they are excluded because we only need those students who are studying either physics or mathematics. So this will be 5 and 3 out of total number of students. So we will write 5 plus 3 divided by 23, which is the total number of geography students. So this will be 8 over 23. So the probability will be 8 over 23. Question 17a states sketch the graph of y is equal to sine x for 0 degrees x is less than or equal is greater than or equal to 0 degrees and less than 360 degrees. So first we will use the ruler to measure the length, which is from 0 degrees up till 360. So over here first we will calculate the midpoint, which is 4.5. So over here, which is the midpoint, and over here it will be 2.25, and over here it will be over here. So like this. So this will be 180, 270, and over here it will be 90 degrees. So then we will use sine 90, which is in the calculator over here. Sine 90, which will be 1. So the first point will be over here. Then sine 180, which will be 0. It will be over here. Then sine 270, which will be minus 1. It will be over here. Over here 270. And then for 360, it will be 0. Then we will use the pencil to draw a straight line from here. From here, like this, up till 360 degrees. So this is how we will draw this sketch of the graph of y is equal to sine x. Then part B states solve the equation which is 3 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0 for x is greater than or equal to 0 degrees and less than or equal to 360 degrees. So first we will move around this equation. So we will move this over here. So this will be 3 sine x is equal to minus 1. Then sine x is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Then we will move sine over there to the right side, which will be x is equal to sine inverse, which will be minus 1 over 3. So sine inverse will be minus 1 over 3, which will be 19.5. So this will be 19.47. So then over here we will draw a line, and over here on one side this will be 180 minus 9 plus 19.47, and on the right side we will write 360 minus 19.47. So when we add 180 plus 19.47, this will be 199.47, and then we subtract 19.47 from 360. This will be 340.53. So this is how we will calculate. Question 18 part A states y is directly proportional to cube root of x plus 1 when x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. So first we write the equation which is directly proportional. So y is equal to k multiplied by cube root of x plus 1. So we will put these values in, which will be 1 is equal to k cube root of 7 plus 1. So this will be 1 is equal to k cube root of 7 plus 1 is 8. So this will be k into 2 is equal to 1. So the value of k is equal to 1 over 2, which is 0.5. Then when we got the value of k, which is 1 over 2, we'll input the value of x. So y is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by cube root of 124 plus 1, which will be over here 124 plus 1 and cube root of this, which will be 5. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 5, which will be 2.5. So the value of y is 2.5. Then part B states f is inversely proportional to the square of d. Inversely proportional to square of d. And explain what happens when to f when d is halved. So over here, when d is halved, it will be multiplied by 4. So we will write multiplied by 4. So this is how we calculate. Because over here, if we write inverse, I will explain it in more details. So f is equal to k multiplied by 1 over square of d. So which is 1 over 2 of square. So when we do this, this will be f is equal to k, and when you have 1 over 2 squared, which will be 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 1 divided by 4 will be here, like we will write 1 over 4. So this will be moved over there, and we will write f is equal to 1 over 4, f is equal to k. So f is equal to 4k because we moved 4 over there, so 4k. So what happens to f when d is halved? So f will be doubled multiplied by 4. So we will write like this. Question 19 part A states find f inverse x. So first equation of fx is y is equal to 7x minus 8. So we'll switch x and y's positions. So x is equal to 7y minus 8. So we'll make y the main subject. So x plus 8 is equal to 7y, then y is equal to x plus 8 divided by 7. So f inverse x is x plus 8 divided by 7. Part B states when hx is equal to g to the 1 over 3. So hx is 2x plus 1 is equal to g, which is 4 divided by 1 over 3 plus 5. So we will first move plus 5 over there. So 2x plus 5 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 4 over 1 over 3. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 4 over 1 over 3. So when we move this over there, this will be here like this, 1 over 3 into 2x minus 4 is equal to 4. So then we will multiply this. So 2x over 3 and minus 4 is equal to 4. Then we move 3 over here and multiply 3, which will be 2x minus 4 is equal to 4 3s are 12. Then 2x is equal to 12 plus 4, which will be 16. So 2x. So the value of x will be, so here we will write 2 to the power of something will be 2 to the power of 4. So this will be 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So the value of x is 4. Question 20 part A states factorize completely 2m plus 3p is minus 8km minus 12k. So first we will write 2m plus 3p minus, over here in 2m and 3p there is no common number or common letter, but in 8km and 12km it is 4 and k. So 4k with 2m plus 3p. So both are common. So we will write 1 minus 4k multiplied by 2m plus 3p. So this is how we will calculate. So this will be the final answer for part A. So we will write 1 minus 4k multiplied by 2m plus 3p. Part B states 5x squared minus 20y. So over here in both values 5 is common, so we'll exclude 5. So x squared minus 4y squared. So then now we have x squared and 4y squared, so we can use a square over here and write x squared x and here x, so this will be x squared. Then here we will write 2y and 2y and we will put like this. So this will be here minus 2y and x minus 2xy, and over here 2xy, and here it will be 4y square. So we will write 5x minus 2y over x plus 2y and x minus 2y. So this will be the equation for part B. So we'll write 5x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y. So this is how we will do part B. Question 21 states the nth term of a sequence is an square plus bn minus 4. The first term is minus 3 and the second term is 2. So first we will use the first term. So an square will be a plus bn will be b minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So a plus b is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So a plus b is equal to minus 3 plus 4 will be 1. Then for second term it will be 2 square will be 4. So 4a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 2. Then we'll move this over there. So 4a plus 2b, 2 plus 4. So 4a plus 2b is equal to 6. Then we'll exclude 2. A plus, my bad, 2 like this. 2a plus b is equal to 6. So 2a plus b is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is the equation from second term and this is the equation from first term. So we will use this equation in simultaneous equation and calculate the value of a and b. So a plus b is equal to 1. 2a plus b is equal to 3. Both of these values are same, b values are same, so we will cancel these out. So and these are both plus values, so 2a minus a is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of a is 2, and then we'll input this value so into this. So 2 plus something is equal to 1. So we will move 2 over there. So x is equal to 1 minus 2, which will be minus 1. So the value of b is minus 1. So a is 2 and b is minus 1. Question 22 states OA is equal to x and OB is equal to y. OD is equal to 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y. So we have to calculate the ratio of AD and DB. So first AD will be minus x plus this equation, which is 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y, and you will write so minus x plus 3 over 7. So this will be 7 and this will be by 7. So we will write minus 7x divided by 7 plus 3x over 7 plus 4 over 7y. So minus 7 plus 3x will be minus 4 over 7. So minus 4 over 7x plus 4 over 7y. So the equation for AD will be minus 4 over 7. It will first calculate the ratio of DB also. So DB is equal to minus y plus 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y. So here we will also again multiply this by 7 and by this 7. So this will be minus 7 over 7y plus 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7y. So minus 7 plus 4 will be 3 over 7. So 3 over 7x plus 3 over 7y. So this will be the equation for dB. Then here we will write dB and dB. So minus 4 over 7x plus 4 over 7y to the ratio of, here we will write 3 over 7x plus 3 over 7y. So here we will write, first we will, over here both equation has 4 over 7. So we'll exclude 4 over 7 and write 4 over 7 y minus x. We will switch these values to the ratio of 3 over 7 minus 3 over 7 of x plus x minus y, or y minus x, because over here we have, like that, here we have y minus x, so here we will have y minus x also. Then we will cancel these values out, which is at the bottom. So 7 will be cancelled out, so we will have 4 and 3. So we will write 4 to the ratio of 3. So this is how we will do. Over here I got confused. So this is how we will do in question 22. Question 23 states the diagram shows a solid metal shape made from a cone and a hemisphere, both with a radius of 6.2 centimeter. The total surface area of the solid shape is 600 centimeters square. Calculate the slant height L of the cone. The surface area of A of the sphere with the radius is A is equal to 4 pi r square. But over here we have the hemisphere, so we will divide this by 2, which will be surface area is equal to of half is 4 pi r square divided by 2, which will be 2 pi r square. Then we have the curved surface area of the cone with radius r and slant height L. A is equal to pi r square, pi r L. So surface area of cone is equal to total surface area plus the hemisphere area, which is 2 pi r square. Now the formula is here pi r L is equal to total surface area plus 2 pi r square. So over here we will first make the L the subject. So L is equal to total surface area is 600 centimeters square. 600 plus 2 pi multiplied by radius, which is 6.2 square, divided by pi r, which is pi multiplied by radius 6.2. And then using the calculator we will do is 600 plus 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 6.2 square. Then over here pi multiplied by 6.2, which will be 43.204. So we will write 43.204, and this will be the length of the slant height L of the cone. Which will be, my bad, here we have to use not plus minus. So if we use the minus equation, this will be divided by pi into 6.2, 18.4 centimeter. So the length of the slant length of the cone will be 18.4 centimeter. So I hope you guys understood what I explained over here in this past paper, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.